Hi, we're going to learn about how to update the values in a dictionary in this video. And to do that, we are going to use the country dictionary that we've been working with so far. And I'm going to show you how to update your target values. And by target values, I mean whatever you want to change within the dictionary, okay? So, you know how countries do population census almost every now and then to know how many citizens there are in the country? Well, let's just assume that for some reason the country has had a new population census done and they have realized that they are no more 28 million, they are maybe 31 million, and so they want to update it. Well, the way to do that is you use the square bracket notation and then you specify the key and then you assign a new value to it. So over here our target value is the population because that is what we want to change. Okay, so let's print the dictionary first. So I'm going to print country and I'm working in a file called dictionary update. So I'm going to run python 3 update.py, and over here you can see that the population is indeed 28 million, right? Now let's go ahead and change it. So I'm going to say country and I'll specify population is equal to 31 123 123. So they are now 31 million. I'll come down here, print it again. Okay, but before I do that printing, I'm going to print an empty space so that we can distinguish between the two dictionaries correctly. So I run this and you can see that name is Ghana here, capital is Accra, it is the same, Ghana cedis is the same, population, it used to be 28 million but now it is 31 million because we have performed an update on it. Okay, there is another way of performing an update, which is through the use of a method called update. Okay, so let's use the update method to change the currency. This is how we're going to do it. We will say country.update and then you pass in what looks like a dictionary. So you specify the key and a value, and it's going to use that key you specify to look up the key in the country dictionary and it will assign the new value to it. So we want to change currency to become Ghana cedis. So Ghana cedis. Okay, so this, I need to end this with a curly bracket, and sorry, I need to use the comma here. Yeah, so I need to bring this and oh sorry, so this, yeah, sorry. So you specify what looks like a dictionary and inside it you have the key and then you have the new value that you want to assign. And because you are calling the update method on the country dictionary, it will go to the country dictionary, look for the key currency, which is here, and it is going to assign the new value to it. So let's print it again. So I'm going to print an empty line and then I will print country again. So now let's run this program one more time and see what we get. So you can see that on line 11 we updated the population to 31 million, and so we have 31 million. And you can also see that on line 14 we updated the currency to Ghana cedis, and so now the currency is Ghana cedis. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is how you can be able to update values within your dictionary. Let's take a quick break and I will see you in the next video.